January 21st of this year, 2026, the Trump administration expanded the visa bond pilot program to a number of countries around the world, including Uganda, based on a range of immigration risk factors. Ugandans who are otherwise eligible, so once someone is qualified for what we call a B1, B2 visa for tourism or for business travel, these are non-immigrant visas, are now, since January 21st of this year, required to post a refundable bond up to $15,000 before that visa can be issued. We want people to come do tourism, to do business, to study, visit their family. We want them to follow the rules of their stay. We want them to travel and do what they're going to do in the United States under the category of which they applied for the visa. And we want them to stay for the period in which they've been authorized and then depart.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.